Okay, so this is the Victoria Series 2. Let me open the pen and start with the question. Okay, so quite a big description, so it's always better to kind of create a summary. Qatar Airways has a new model of aircraft, the B-15. The plane flies passenger who pays economic prices and a smaller number who pay a higher prices for business class, which offers more service and comfort. Okay. Seat prices varies from flight to flight. The B-15 has a rear entrance and exit. Rear entrance and exit. Okay, so that's here, right? It has an emergency exit over each wing, and at the anterior part of the plane is the business section. Okay, so this is the business section, row A. Okay. And you can also tell the business section has spacious seats and lesser seats as well. Okay. Anti-plane business section. The layout of the plane seating is shown below in the figure. With the structure, seats row D and J in economy, each has an extra leg room. Okay. Row D and J. Okay. D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. All business class come with extra legroom. Assume that the light lunch will be served on the B-15 flight. 2 flight attendants each serve lunch at the rate of 1 meal per 1.5 minutes. Okay. So they're giving 1 meal at a rate of 1.5 minutes, basically. All business seats are full, and all but 7 economy seats, all but 7, carry passenger. But 7, okay. So, how long does it take to serve all passengers? Okay, so we just have to count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 people are here, right? And it says to serve all the passengers. Okay, all the food and all but 7. All but 7. Okay. Economy seats. Okay. Yeah. So in this one, I think you have to count the number of seats. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. So it's 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 multiplied 2 is 24 here. Now 24, 25, 26, so it comes 26 here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, and 7. Okay. So 7 multiplied 3 is 21. Okay. So 21 plus 26 makes it 47 seats. We are economy, right? And then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 seats are business, basically. Now, 7 less are going in economy, right? So 40 plus 12 would be a total. 40 plus 12 is equal to 52 passengers are boarded on the plane, okay? And it says 2 flight attendants each serve, okay, lunch at the rate of 1 meal per minute. Okay, now there are 2 flight attendants, so they are working simultaneously, okay? So the number of passengers that we have to divide that by 2. First, that will give us 26 passengers, basically, first. So one of the flight attendant is dealing with 26 passengers, other flight attendant is dealing with 26. Now, keep in mind they're dealing it simultaneously, not one at a time. So that's passenger, multiply that by how much is taking per person is 1.5, okay? So if you notice, that would be 39 minutes, basically. And that's the answer. Yeah, cool. Quite a big descriptive question, but can be done faster. Okay, the data given in the bar graph shows the corporate support for the art by sector in 1988 and 1991. The total for 1998 is $630 million, and total for 1991 is $520 million. Which corporate sector increased its support for the arts by the greater amount between 1998 and 1991. Total for which sector? Total is 1991 is, so the white box shows 1998 and the shaded one is 1991. Okay, so saying which corporate sector shows increase its support for the arts by the greater amount. Okay, that again which shows corporate for the arts sector. So the one that shows increase, so that would be finance, insurance, and real estate, services, and that's it. These two only. Let's see if we can find these two options. Yeah, finance, insurance, and real estate. Okay. Increase is support for the art by greatest amount. So greatest would be finance and insurance only. Okay. Question number 3. Same way, don't have to read the initial part. How many of the 6 corporate sector listed contributed more than 52 million to the arts in 1998? Select the best answer for the option given. Now, if you can understand that this is the total that was spent on 1988 by all the collective sectors, right? So first thing you have to do is you have to find how much percentage is 52 million of this. So 52 million of 630 is what you're trying to find. Multiply by 100 will give you the minimum percentage of 52 million that you can use as a comparison for the percentage. Okay, so here one easy thing is 0 and 0 is gone, and the 0 will become 520, so it becomes 520 divided by 63. Let's do long division. I think calculator should be given, but I'm just still showing you long division. Now it has to be, it can't be 2 digits, it has to be all 3 digits. So we need to pick a number that we can multiply by 63 that is close to 520 but does not exceed it. Okay, so that number would be 8. Okay, if I do 8 multiplied by 63, I get 504. Okay, and minus that, and yeah, so minus that will give me what? It will give me the remainder as 16, right? And since 16 is small 63, we put full stop and then add 0, and then we don't have to solve it. So 8%, any companies or any sectors has above 8% shows that they have spent more than $52 million. So it is not wholesale. It says, yeah, just to contribute more than 52 in the arts. Yeah, more than, not. Yeah, so if you know it was 8 point something, so it cannot be real estate. It would be other, manufacturing, service, and finance and real estate. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 answers. Okay, question number 4. A certain recipe requires 3 cups of flour and make 2 dozen of cookies. 3 cups of flour and makes 2 dozen of cookies. 2 dozen mean 24 cookies from 3 cups, okay, of flour. Now, from the answer given, select and indicate the one that describes the relationship between the quantity A and quantity B. The quantity is the amount of sugar required for the same recipe to make 30 cookies, and quantity B is 4 cups. Okay, quantity relationship, right? Quantity is the amount of sugar required for same recipe to make 30 cookies. The amount of sugar is going to be less because it has no relation with the flour, right? The cup amount is more because that is the flour. Yeah, so you can understand how with 1 cup how many you can make. 24 divided by 3, so you will realize that it's 8 cookies you can make. So in order to make 30 you need 4 cups, right? And flour is a lot a greater amount in cookies than sugar itself. So quantity B is bigger. It's a general question actually. So there's no complex mathematics involved in it. Don't make it complicated. Same question from the given answer select indicate which describe the unit. Quantity A is the amount of sugar required to make 42 cookies using the same recipe, and quantity B is 5.5 cup. Again, sugar to make 42 would be less than the flour itself, 5. So 5.5 cup is a lot. Yeah, so it's a general knowledge question. A certain jar contains 60 balls, and then they are describing into category of different colors. If a ball is chosen at random, okay, random, which is what is the probability of the ball is white? So the amount of ball at white is 22, and the total ball is 60. So division of this will basically give you the answer, okay? So, and multiply by, you don't have to multiply by 100 because here they're giving you in ratio. So just for this sake, I think I will multiply by 100 to make life easy. Cancel 0 to show you the answer in percentage, and then we will go to 37. So you should get 37% in this case. Let's see. Now 2 is smaller, so we have to go 2 digits. 22 is bigger. 18. So if I multiply 3 by 6, I get 18, and minus that. So 22 minus 18 is 4, and then we can copy the 0. Now 6 in that will come 5 and 6. Yeah, so let's say 6. 6 multiplied by 6 is 36 minus 4. Now 4 is smaller than 6, so we'll do a full stop and then it can go accurate decimal. Now 36% is what we got approximately, right? So the ratio form of that would be 0.36 something something, and something something can be rounded up to 37. So that's the answer. Okay. Another easier way is that to look at the distribution, just use your intuition. 22 and 60. Let's make it a closer. Let's say 20 divided by 60. What does that tell you? It tells you that if I did that, I will get 1/3. And 1/3 represents 30%, basically. So any number that is in 13%, it has to be more because it's 22, right? So that's the correct answer. Other ones are quite far from each other, from the correct answer. So you can use your intuition here as well, actually, to answer the question. Same thing, if the ball is chosen, then what's the probability of what is the probability the ball will neither be red nor purple? Okay. It can be anything else, but not purple and red. So what is red? 5, and purple is 4, right? So you add them up, that becomes 9 in total. So it neither be, right? So it should not be that. So it would be other but 9. So it would be 60 minus 9 divided by 60, the total balls. Because 60 minus 9 gives you the balls that are white, green, and yellow, not red or purple. So that is 51 divided by 60. Okay. What is the probability the ball will neither be red nor be purple? Yeah. Okay, neither be red. Why saying neither and giving the answer of 15? Yeah, I think we have to do it separately. Okay, so when saying that randomly chosen, they're not interested in only one ball. They might be interested in drawing it again and again and again. So the probability of having a red ball is 560. That is red. The probability of having a purple is 460, right? 4.60. The probability that be neither red or nor purple would be the addition of this. No, that the answer is here is wrong. Okay, the answer should be 85 because it's neither. 15% is a chance of you drawing red or purple, not chance of you not drawing. Okay, so that's the wrong answer. That is the correct answer. You can drop me text later and I can confirm with Lauren and then can send you a depth and can you explain it further in this. So since we have read this, majority of it, So you're gonna skip it and you're gonna jump into the actual answer asked. When a flight is not full, people sometimes like to raise the rest and stretch across 3 seats to sleep. How many passengers could sleep this way in economy class? Okay, so 3 seats, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. The armrest with adjacent seat and can be raised out of the way and is in economic side the seat, except the seats with extra legroom. Extra. There are 2 with extra legroom. Okay, so if you notice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 7 rows are with 3 seats basically. Out of which 2 of them are with leg space, this leg space. So you have to -2 and that is left over 5. And 5 the answer. Okay, let's move into next. Question number 9. Same thing. I want to read the last few sentences. Assume that all business class seats comes with an extra legroom. And we know that. Assume that for a particular spelling mistake here or grammatical mistake, repetitive basically. For a particular flight, business class is full and business passenger pay $200 per seat. All but 4 available economy seats are filled with passenger. Economic passenger pays $100 per seat. What is the total amount makes in fare with the flight, basically? Okay. So since we understood that 47 was the economy seat and business class was 12, right? In economy, business class is full, so tick that. And economy, all but 4, right? So 47 minus 4, what is that? 43, basically. So that's 143, right? Now, 43 is the seat in economy. They are paying $100. Business class is paying $200. Okay. So from that, you get 4,300. From here, business class, this is E, business class, you get 12 multiplied by 200. So all you have to do is 2 multiplied by 12, which is 24, 24, 00. And when you cross add them, this becomes $6,700. And that's this one. So that's done. Next, in the same one. So that's good because you read the phrase 1 and try to understand the setup on the first go, and so that you can answer the questions as well. Yep, all business seats comes with extra legroom. How many seats are provided for passenger in economy? This question should have come first, but it did not. It is 47 since we have been counting it again. Yeah. So this will save you time. Even if you come at the end, it saves you more time, right? So there should be a study that analyzes that putting this question last or first creates the best results. I don't know. There should be a study somewhere out there. Okay, so this ends the Victoria session series 2, and I'm gonna stop recording.